Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need minimal prep. Start now by confirming your Apple Watch is paired and using the same Apple ID as your iPhone. Once done, make sure location services and Find My are enabled on your iPhone and that wrist detection and a passcode are active on the watch. This preserves security and location sharing. Then, open the Find Devices app on the Apple Watch. This app lists your Apple devices immediately, so tap the device you want to locate and move on to the next step. Now you'll actively locate the device. Tap the device name and choose Play Sound to trigger an audible alert. This is fastest when the device is nearby. Next, select directions to send a route to your paired iPhone. That gives turn-by-turn guidance and an estimated distance. If the lost device supports the U1 chip, use precision finding. It provides on-screen arrows and distance, which is especially helpful indoors. Keep checking sound and directions alternately, because sound helps short distances, while directions guide you across larger areas. Finish by securing the device. If you can't recover it quickly, enable Lost Mode from the Apple Watch to lock it and show a contact message. This prevents access and helps honest finders. If the device is compromised, choose Erase Device remotely, but remember erasing removes activation lock unless you remove it from your account after recovery. If things go wrong and the device isn't listed, make sure both devices use the same Apple ID, are online, and have Bluetooth. Then restart your watch and iPhone before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.